moodfabrics.com.
Welcome back. I'm Siobhan Cruz with moodfabrics.com for the Saffron Ensemble Beginner Sewing Course. Today we're going to finish sewing our top. We're going to use our loop turner to finish and add our straps, and we're going to take a look at optional hemlines. Let's get started. Okay, so now we are going to use a 1/4 inch rolled hem to complete and hem around our neckline and around the sides and back. So the first thing you want to do is right here at the center, you just want to make a slight little clipping into the neck because that's going to help you. And when you're doing a rolled hem, you're actually rolling the fabric. Just rolling it just like that. Now, if you want, you can use a helpful tool, which is a hemming gauge, and you can actually measure it to see if you are accurate. You can either pin it in place, or you can press it along the edge as you go along, just to keep your hem nice and neat before you begin to stitch it down. So we're going to do that all along the neckline, around the edge, and around the back. And then you're going to just stitch along that edge. Now we have our top hem all nice and finished. We pressed it and we did the stitching all the way around to the back. And now we are ready to move on to the next part. Now let's take a look at how we are stitching our straps together. We did right sides together and we did a simple straight stitch right along the edge, and then we trimmed off the excess seam allowance, maybe 1/8 away from the seam, because when we turn it, we don't want the seam to be too bulky. And when we come back, I'm going to show you how to use the loop turner to turn your straps right side out. Now let's take a look at our loop turner and how to use it to pull our strap right side out. If you take a look at the end, it has a little hook with a latch. So you're going to actually hook this onto the end of the fabric and close it with the latch so you'll be able to pull it through. You're going to insert at one end, push it through, and then hook it on to the fabric. Now you want to feel for the latch underneath and just pop that right through and make sure that it's closed. Now we can start to pull the fabric down and continue pulling using the loop at the other end, and just sliding it down slowly. Try not to go too fast because it will unlatch and you'll have to start over from the beginning. Now we can see the fabric is coming through on the other end. So just grab that end and continue pulling until it's completely right side out. Okay? And just straighten it out like that, and this is what it will look like once you've pressed it and it's all ready to go. Now let's take a look at how we attached our strap to the front and back. We just folded under our strap 1/4 inch and did a straight stitch across to secure it in place. And on the back, we just followed along where our notch was, attached our strap, did a straight stitch across to hold it in place, and that's it. Now it's time to stitch and finish your hemline. You can either attach a trim, elastic casing, or leave it loose. This option is up to you. Join us next time as I show you a few pressing techniques to give your ensemble a nice clean finish. I'm Siobhan Cruz from moodfabrics.com. See you soon.